Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Energy System Style 4 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the settings, in the Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happened with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices and tap at your earbuds at the device list. Okay, if the soft reset didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, at the back side of each earbud, we have touch areas at the top. You need to press 10 times the both of these touch areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we can reconnect them with the phone. If you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top in the Bluetooth. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. And then tap at your earbuds at the device list. That's it. Now, you need to check if the factory reset help you. Amazing. If it doesn't, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone. Then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. On your iPhone, you need to open settings and go to the general settings, so click at the general line, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap at this line, click reset. In this window, you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we should go to the system. Scroll down, system, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at the reset options line. In this window, you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.